And I'm just like, baby, what kind of sauce is that? Like, I ain't never had no sauce that smell like that, you know. Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is eri.reneee. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, let's get right into this vlog. So it's a little late. Well, not that late. It's like 8 something, about to be 9. So yeah, y'all, if y'all see like my lip greasy, I was using an expired lip gloss, which is, that's crazy of me to freaking not even notice. But I was using the expired lip gloss and it literally like burnt my lips. Like, my lips are so black, like even on the inside, they're like so black, y'all. So I just have like Neosporin like around my lips and stuff. Like, girl, it's just been a hot mess. So if this doesn't clear up within a week, I'm probably gonna have to go to the doctor. It's been maybe like 3 or 4 days, so I feel like it's not getting bad. It's just like staying the same. Like, you know, it's just staying the same. So I'm just gonna wait a little minute, and then if it don't get no better, then I'm going to go to the doctor. So yeah, if y'all see me looking a little greasy, girl, that's what it is. But yeah, girl, so let's get this vlog started. Period. Today is Saturday. Y'all hear Bella eating? Like, girl, she is so loud. But yeah, I just got home, y'all. So I've been out all day. I went to my mama's house, and girl, I went to what was it? Wing Zone. Girl, Wing Zone is not good to me. I'm sorry. It is not good. I don't know if it's because I got boneless wings or what, but Wing Zone is not good. If y'all have ever tried it, let me know down below. And if you liked it, tell me what I should get, because yeah, it was not good to me. It was not hitting like it was supposed to hit. So yeah, I had went there and I got that, and it was just not hitting like it was supposed to hit. And I wasn't even supposed to be eating that anyway, y'all. Y'all know I'm on my little fitness journey, so maybe that's why it wasn't good, because I wasn't supposed to be eating it. So yeah, but now I'm back home. I'm chilling. I just got my Skims package. Girl, Skims then got me again. They got me again, girl. I'm really starting to love Skims because their quality is just so A1. Like, it's just so bomb. And I really want to start getting like quality pieces, like for real. So let me show y'all what I got. Her new collection came out like last week, I think. So of course you already know the packaging looks like this, super cute. And then, girl, I got all of these. So I'm gonna do another Skims haul, so make sure y'all check that out. And girl, so I have like these marks on my walls, and so let me show you. I went to go pick up this little magic eraser. It's like the Food Line brand, the magic eraser, and I'm going to see if it will take off the marks on my walls.
Yeah, my dope in the bush. Dope in the bush. I know how to cook. Bitch good looking. Bitch good looking. Bitch good looking. My dope in the bush. I know how to cook. Yeah. I did the digital dash. I put the bitch on the passenger. I got that junkie a blast. I said it don't be mama. Out on the street like the mama. You rats will never be honorable. They know I'm gonna get up my word. I hustle the first to the first.
I'm about to drink me one of these though. Camera, oh my god. Clear. But yeah, I'm about to drink me one of these. This is the ginger beer. It is so good. Have y'all ever had ginger beer? If not, you need to try this brand. It is so good to me. I like my ginger beer to be very spicy, but I don't think this is the real spicy one. I'm not sure. But this is so good to me. So I'm about to pop this open, and I also get my coffee table next week from IKEA. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna build that too. But yeah, this is so good to me. It's so good. Woo! But yeah, girl. Hey, little mamas. So it's like a couple days later. Girl, I'm still in the house. I feel like I haven't done much of anything, but I've done a lot, if that makes sense. So yeah, girl, today was a very busy day. So I woke up this morning. I was gonna go to the doctor because, girl, my lips, like, y'all see how dark they are? Like, y'all see all that? Like, girl, it's just like an outline and like dark all the way up here. It's just a mess. Like, look. So my lips were like itching me for like a whole week. But I was like, you know what? Let me try to take care of it myself, because I do not. Like, sometimes I don't like going to the doctor because I feel like they're not really gonna give me no answers. So I'll be trying to like do stuff on my own. So I'll use like hydrocortisone. So for like a whole week, I've been using hydrocortisone cream to get rid of like the itching. So my lips don't itch anymore. But girl, they starting to burn. Like when I'm eating, my lips be burning. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go to the doctor. So long story short, I had to end up going to urgent care. I had to call out of work, y'all, because I had to go to urgent care. Literally, the wait was so long. It was from like 11 to like 3:20. That's how long I had to wait to be seen. But anyway, went to the urgent care girl. Basically, she ain't know. She was basically telling me like she don't know what. Of course, she doesn't know what the reaction came from, because I honestly don't really know what it's from. I feel like it's from a lip gloss that I've been using that is expired, but I didn't realize that it was expired. So that's my fault. But anyway, so yeah, long story short, y'all, I got recommended to a dermatologist, so I'm going to be going to a dermatologist very soon. But she did prescribe me some medicine, some prednisone, so that's supposed to help, like, I guess, if I'm still having an allergic reaction, because my lips be itching. So it's something that's still there. So that's supposed to get rid of that, and then I just have to put Aquaphor on my lips every day. So I can't use any lip glosses, no nothing, just use strictly Aquaphor. So I'm really hoping that this like black stuff on my lips, what is going on? So yeah, I really hope this black stuff on my lips will go away, because it is so ugly. How am I gonna record videos? Like, I don't want to be, I mean, doing a vlog is fine because it's just like my everyday life, but actually doing like a sit down video, like how am I going to record a sit down video? I don't know. But anyway, girl, so I just got back home. I've been out literally all day. I just got my medicine. I was at mom's house just chillaxing. Girl, I've been out all day. So I'm about to rejuvenate because I need some water. I'm about to make me my little vitamin C packet or whatever. Alright, y'all, so that was the quickest I have ever put together anything that I've gotten. This literally took like 10 minutes, y'all. Like, this was so easy. So let me show y'all how it looks. So girl, this is the coffee table. It is so cute. So it's actually reversible. So this side up is like this cute little stained color, like some grays and blacks in here. I think this side is really cute. But I don't know if I should keep it this way or should I do black. Like, does this match the aesthetic that I have going on? Excuse the mess, y'all. But, you know, see, my couch is gray. Like, does this look right with the rug and all that, or should I just do black? Let me show y'all how the black looks. Alright, y'all, so this is how the black looks. So what do y'all think? Should I do it this way or should I do it the other way? Like, don't mind my ugly little desk over there, but just imagine it. Let me turn around. Let me see. Okay, so should I have it like this? Like, I don't know. I don't know. I can't wait to get stuff on there so I can really see like the full effect of how this looks, because it's not really giving what it's supposed to give. And y'all, just a little backstory, like the coffee table that I really wanted from IKEA, they were sold out. So they were like sold out in every city that I could think to get it. So I had to just, I ain't gonna say settle for this one, but this was like the last option. So I'm really like trying to just imagine it with stuff on it, because it's not giving what it's supposed to give. But let me try to put something on here. Let me see, because I have this little thing right here that I can put on there for now, just to see how it looks. Let's see, until I actually get my stuff that I want to put on here. That looks kind of stupid. Yeah, that's a negative. No. I was trying to get a vibe. I think I'm going to flip it over to the other side. Like, this black is just not giving what it's supposed to give right now. Hey, y'all. So, we back at it again. I thought I was going to end the night, but I decided I'm going to go ahead and make this little stir fry that I got from Target. Girl, I did not know Target had stir fry kits. I said, let me go ahead and get this. So this is basically, it has carrots, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. Y'all, I hate Brussels sprouts, so I might have to take those out. Like, Brussels sprouts are disgusting, so I might have to take that out. Bok choy, green cabbage, pea pods, kale. So let me level y'all up. Let me level y'all up. So yeah, this is how it looks, y'all. And they had a little coupon on it, $2 off, because it expires tomorrow. So I'm just like, I need to go ahead and make this. I'm not really hungry, but I'm just gonna make this anyway because I don't want it to go to the bad. So yeah, girl, we're about to make this, and then I have some chicken. Let me show y'all the chicken. Y'all, I was gonna use like some fresh chicken, but girl, we ain't got time for all that. Okay, this is a real quick meal, so I'm gonna just use this Tyson grilled chicken. This will be using, girl. So yeah, I've been trying to get a little better with my cooking because I am not the best cook, but I'm trying to get up there, you know, my little wifey status, cook for my husband some nights, you know. So yeah, that's what I've been trying to do, girl. So we about to make this. I wonder how this sauce tastes. I just do not like Brussels sprouts, so I'm really gonna have to pick all of it out. It smells pretty good, pretty fresh. Okay, so let me set y'all up because, oh, excuse me, honey. I got my little pan right there, and I gotta get some oil. So I'm gonna get this olive oil right here. Let me tell you my seasonings or whatever. So, okay, seasonings. So I'm gonna be using, I forgot I have cumin. So y'all, have y'all used cumin before? I've never personally used this before, but I hear that it tastes like taco seasoning. So I'm just like, I don't know. I'm making chili this week, y'all, too. So I'm going to use this in my chili. But I'm not going to use this today. But I'm just going to be using my Creole seasoning because this is my go-to. Did something just get on me? This is my go-to seasoning. Then we got the garlic powder. We got the onion powder. We got a little pep. And then we got some sea salt, okay? Sea salt. And I think that's all I'm going to use. I might use a little bit of some cayenne pepper for a little spicy spice. If I'm feeling a little spicy, put some cayenne pepper in there. Not my battery dying. Oh my god. This is so annoying. Okay, so I'm probably going to record off my phone because when this thing said the battery dying, they're not playing. It's really about to die. So it's giving me very much like girl, I don't know, but I hope that this is good because I didn't realize this sauce, it smells like apple cider vinegar. And I'm just like, baby, what kind of sauce is that? So we about to see how this tastes. I'm gonna let it just simmer a little bit. Them vegetables really did cook down real good, y'all. Like, they cooked down super fast, faster than what I thought. So yeah, this is like a real quick, easy little meal, honey. If you are just trying to like have something healthy and you want it to be real quick and fast, girl, get you this, okay? Because I feel like this was just super easy. Like, it took less than 15 minutes. And my little chicken didn't take long because, yeah, it wasn't no fresh chicken, girl. So, yeah, I feel like this is a good little meal here, you know? All right, y'all, moment of truth, girl. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh, so I just got me a little bit because I'm not really hungry, y'all. I was just making this because I didn't want it to go to the bed. So this is how it's looking. It's not the best, but you know, it's giving very much healthy vibes. So I'm gonna take some of the bok choy, and some broccoli. Okay, so if it would get on the fork. Okay, so let's taste. This better be good. Not too shabby. Yeah, I've never had bok choy. It's not bad. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna eat the rest of this, y'all, and call it a night. Because like I said before I wasn't gonna do nothing, but I ended up cooking. But I don't think I'm doing anything after this. This is good, girl. So yeah. Period. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hey little mamas, so it's the next day. Girl, it's morning time. I literally just woke up. As y'all can see, I look real crusty. Girl, so yeah. I started my little lady friend over in the morning, and girl, I'm just so over it. Like, I'm just so over it. So I needed to make me some breakfast. I'm not really hungry, but I feel like I need to eat because I had to take my little prednisone. So I'm gonna make me something to eat, girl. But I'm just like not feeling it today. Like, Mother Nature is a little bitch, okay? Like, I'm just not feeling it. But okay, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all a little later because I'm probably gonna go wash my car. If I don't see y'all later, this is gonna be the end of the vlog because I kind of want to get this vlog up today. Today is Saturday, y'all, so I think I'm gonna start a whole new vlog. And actually, I want to be doing stuff in that vlog because this vlog. Let me know if y'all like when I just sit here and talk to y'all. Like, I don't know. I feel like I need to go out and do stuff. So in the next vlog, I'm definitely gonna be going out. But if y'all haven't watched the video to the end, thank y'all so much, and thank y'all for the love on my last video, my Skims haul. Like, if y'all subscribed from that video, hey girl, I hope y'all enjoying your stay. Thank you so much for the love in that video. I got a lot of love in that video, like comments wise. I usually don't get a lot of people to comment, but y'all was commenting, and I was like, okay, period. This is what I like. I love to talk back. So yeah, don't be scared to leave comments on my videos because, girl, I love to talk, okay? I love talking to y'all. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll catch y'all in my next video.